Hello, I'm Dr. Brian Porteous, and I'd like to share some information from my own practice of 35 years. Some 10 years ago, I experienced a little carpal tunnel on my own wrists, as many chiropractors do, and was looking for some kind of help in that area. In 2002, I think it was, the Food and Drug Administration actually approved this instrument specifically as care and treatment for carpal tunnel syndrome. This low light energy has been around for some 25 years. I didn't get introduced to it till about 10 years ago, a little slow. But I found it very helpful in the practice. We also have our patients who have chronic pain purchase the instrument so that they can treat themselves on a long-term basis. Chronic pain that's not going to go anywhere needs to be treated consistently, and so we find it as a safe and effective tool for pain treatment. What impressed me in the last 10 years of using this instrument was its healing capabilities. Not only does low light laser reduce pain, but the light biostimulation of the tissue actually has been demonstrated to improve the healing process. Be unparalleled as far as a drugless, non-surgical approach to handling some serious issues. Now, we've expanded its utilization far from just carpal tunnel. We utilize it on almost any pain issue once diagnosed what the cause is. And we also find it very effective because the patients can administer it to themselves. It's incredibly safe piece of equipment and incredibly effective. That's why all the major sports teams have them. I think I recently heard that one of the teams was issuing a unit to each player, and I'm familiar with that, with the opportunity to work with the sports teams in our area. So if you're looking for a piece of equipment that's got solid research behind it, FDA, who's not, of course, famous for doing anything too progressive, actually came back out in 2002 and said this instrument with this level of low light laser energy actually treats carpal tunnel syndrome, which you know is one of the most difficult of all musculoskeletal conditions. So with that caveat, I went and said I need one of these, and I as you never see my face talking about anything. This piece of equipment has made a difference in our practice, and I recommend that you look into it.
Dr. Porteous, how can folks get a hold of you? Can you tell them what your website is or your email address?
It's drbporteous, Porteous, at AOL.com.
Okay.
And you could, takes me a day sometimes to get to my email, but I'll always get back to you. We've used this laser at the Whitaker Wellness Medical Institute in Newport Beach for 10 years. No piece of equipment or therapy other than my chiropractic table has lasted that period of time. Everything has come and gone.
Wow.
This stays.
Well, Dr. Porteous, we thank you so much for your time this morning and look forward to working with you again in the future, sir.
Pleasure's mine. Thank you.